Well, walk around the room, ask questions. Hi, what's your name? Open House was designed to invite the community out, any future applicants or anybody interested in the police department. How you doing? Here for the open house? Yeah. They can learn more what it takes to apply to the police department and also what we have as a police department. All right, cool, I'll walk you around, come on. So we have our SWAT team, UAV, motors, bomb. Bomb squads are usually regional. You can only have so many in the state. Well, we're lucky enough to have one of them, which is amazing. UAV, usually most popular.
So those two are both for SWAT tactical entries?
We are basically doing more high-risk operations such as violent criminals, violent offenders.
We have patrol here with some of their toys as well, because patrol's the backbone of the police department. We have recruiters who answer any questions about how the application process works.
The recruiters will assist you throughout the entire process. You won't be alone applying. Okay. Once you finish the application, you're going to have somebody that's going to help you get through the process.
Coincided with this open house, upstairs we have our PT test set up in the hallway. So once they're done with the written test, those applicants will go in the hallway and run our PT test. You have to run it in a certain amount of time, you have to go over a few obstacles, you have to drag a heavy dummy, and then you have to pull a firearm once with each hand to make sure you can function as a police officer.
And eventually, once you finish, you'll get that opportunity to graduate and you get pinned that badge, which is the goal.
Yeah.